Hello everyone, my name is Andrew McClendon and today I bring you Ravencoin. I will be doing a price prediction, covering some of the news and where to find it. Let's begin. We were on Coin Market Cap and we're going to be looking at how much it is. It's at 11 cents. This coin has been exploding since it initially started off. But let's look at its market cap sitting at 1.1 billion, number 94 on the list. So you got some liquidity, you got a lot of players involved, there's a lot of money involved. Let's see what platforms you guys can be able to trade if you want to get a part of this. So Binance, Huobi Global. So you get two different platforms to be part of this. What else you got? Let's see. So you have the markets. Bittrex, and also, wow, there's a bunch. So this cryptocurrency has a lot of platforms you guys can trade or hodl and be a part of. So they have that option. Let's check out their website. So here's their website and what it is. Ravencoin is a peer-to-peer blockchain handling the efficient creation and transfer of assets from one party to another. Pretty simple. All right, let's check out some of the other web pages. So Ravencoin is getravencoin.org. Here's their white paper. Here's some of their roadmaps. So some of their platform. They have also different languages. So please check it out right here. Now they have the Reddit page. So if you guys are looking at if you want to talk to people other than myself about this cryptocurrency, Reddit is a spot, and also for Twitter. Let's see. So follow me on Twitter too, guys. Andrew J. McClendon. I'm on Twitter. I tweet a lot about political stuff, but let's get back to this. So we got about almost 75,000. So a lot people in this cryptocurrency. So and they do post pretty often. So if you guys want to find out more, check the Twitter page. We had two other websites. Bitcoin Talk, and also medium.com at Ravencoin. Now let's get to that price prediction, guys. Now, price prediction, this thing, gosh, I wish I knew about this earlier. I always come to the party late. This thing was trading about 1.5 cents and exploded, and now it's currently here. So this might be creating another leg to making higher highs. Let's break this down. I'll be using a couple indicators. First off, we'll check the super trend and see where we're at. So we are off this bull motion up, that we are slowing down, going down. But for me, I see that this is a turning point to go higher. So I'll talk about how I'm going to enter this with trading and hodling. Let me zoom in a little bit. So for me, I look at these previous highs as my first target if I'm going to trade this. So if I'm going to enter in, since I am not entering off of a very bad location, like this is not bad at all. Like it's pretty close to the support level. So for me, I would be buying right here off of a market entry and setting one of my target profits for right here, because I do multiple entries. This would be an easy location to set target profit, because these previous highs has multiple wicks showing that this can be hit a whole lot easier. This previous data is not like an all-time new high. Also, so if I'm going to enter in here, that's what I'm going to do. For a buy order. If it's going to go down lower, I don't see heading down too much lower, but if it does, I also place a buy limit, because I want to make sure that my entry here is a small lot size, hits right here, guys, and I'm like, okay, I'm going to make sure that it can't be too much of my account, only 2.4% max, so I have to calculate the stop losses to make sure it doesn't burn your account, so if it does go down, it can hit you don't just lose your entire account. And I'll head this up to the same point here. Right here. Let's see right here. Now this coincides also with the Fibonacci extension. I think the 161. Let's see. Yeah, 161 right here. So if it hits this projection right here, this is where I'm going to exit one of my positions, and I'll break that down in a second. So if it hits my market, if it does option one, goes up to my buy order, all I'm going to do is move my stop loss, right? Above this right here, and then let it run. If it takes me out, at least I come out a profit. If it does option two, heads down lower, it's my buy limit, I'm going to exit this trade here, my first trade, and allow this second trade just to run. But what I'm going to do for a third trade, if it does any one of these two, is place a buy stop. And that's going to be the one that's going to take the immediate profit off at 161 level, which is 0.16 for my price target. And then I'm going to let that run higher. So my first projection is going to be very easy, 16 cents. Right? My second projection which is it's about 20 cents at this current high, the 2618 projection. So these two levels they have hit before, and with this buying momentum happening in cryptocurrency, especially with Ravencoin, this might be able to easily hit. Now I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you what I would do, guys. Now when it comes to hodling, I would do the exact same tactic, because this seems a whole lot easier. It seems like it's trending quite good on the daily and for this whole period right here. A lot of people took off profits, went back down, took off profits, entering again to see if they can take off profits again. If you're going to be a part of that, please do your own analysis, or if you have a question below about what I'm going to do in more detail, just drop it below. But let's head to my website, guys. AndreMcClellan.com. I have a bunch of indicators on here. I have stuff about MetaTrader 4, gold and silver statistics, and what I do for my business for that I help other people trade and learn more about the markets on one-on-one sessions, or sometimes group. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and comment below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.